Hi guys, good morning, and we have a new project, a condo project dito sa Micara Estates. Ito yung Lamore. Welcome to our 1-bedroom condo unit dito sa Lamore. Ito ay mayroong sukat na 28.38 square meter floor area. Option ang pagkakaroon ng balcony. So ganito ang turnover natin guys. So what you see here is what you get. Nakataas yung flooring, nakapartition yung room syempre, at kung with balcony yan, naka-sliding door kayo. Our kitchen area na merong kitchen countertop, pwede niyang baguhin upon turnover, and our toilet and bath na kompleto sa bathroom fixtures. Guys, yung Lamore condo natin is located dito sa Micara Estates, Tanza, 10 minutes away from SM City Tanza, Pure Gold, and it's along the highway kaya mabilis lang siya makita, and one ride lang going to PITX. Monthly starts at 8,000 for 1 bedroom na yan ha, and reservation is only 15,000. For more details like computations or tripping assistance,